Why do some videos instantly grab your attention while others get ignored in seconds? The difference is this: animated captions. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn simple subtitles into scroll-stopping visuals that boost your watch time and keep people hooked. You see, most creators are still using plain captions, and that's a huge mistake, because the fastest way to increase retention right now is by making your captions move, react, and stand out. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to do it step by step. Animated captions are more than just text on screen. They are visual hooks that grab attention, guide the viewer's eyes, and emphasize your message. And with tools like SubMagic, you can control everything: your font, the colors, the positioning, and animations to match your style perfectly. And the best part, you don't need design skills or editing experience. The goal is simple: make your content impossible to scroll past. Let me show you how to do it. Step number 1, upload your video, of course. Simply start by uploading your video into your editing tool. Then choose a caption template that fits your brand. Go for something bold and easy to read. Step 2, choose caption animations. Next, head to the animation section. Now this is where your captions come to life. You can choose from over 35 animation styles, like fade, slide, zoom, bounce, and even typewriter effects. Now the key here is to pick something that matches your content energy. Step 3, animate words and emojis. Now let's take it to the next level. Instead of animating the whole sentence, you can animate individual words. This lets you highlight important phrases and keep viewers engaged. You can even animate emojis, adding personality and making your captions feel more alive. Step 4, use multiple animations variants. If you want your video to feel dynamic, you can mix multiple animation styles. Now this keeps your captions from getting repetitive and adds variety throughout the video. Step 5, export your video. Finally, once everything looks good, you check, export your video. That's it. And just like that, you've got a piece of content ready for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram Reels, for YouTube Shorts, you name it. Let me quickly break down the features that actually make a difference. Number 1, caption animations. These control how your full sentence appear, whether they slide in, maybe fade, or pop onto the screen. 2, word level animation. This is one of the most powerful features. It helps you emphasize keywords so viewers instantly understand your message. 3, emoji animations. Animated emojis add emotion and energy, making your captions more engaging. Number 4, position control. You can place captions anywhere on the screen. It can be top, it can be bottom, it can be center, depending on your content layout. Now, all of these features work together to increase retention and keep viewers watching longer, of course. Here's a quick comparison. On the left, you've got plain captions, but on the right, you get animated captions with motion and faces. Now tell me, which one would you keep watching? Exactly. Of course, the ones from the right side. You see, animated captions aren't just a trend, they are becoming essential if you want your videos to perform. If you start using them correctly, you will notice higher watch time, better engagement, and more shares. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, drop a thumbs up. Also, do check out SubMagic, link in description, of course. You're welcome. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content and tips. And I'll see you guys on my next video about the best AI tools I find. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.